Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you an instant moong dal murkul recipe. This is a combination of moong dal with milk and few spices, giving it a crunchy lip smacking taste. Do check out this video, like and subscribe in case if you have liked this video. Let's watch how to make this moong dal murkul. For moong dal chakodi, first take this a cup of moong dal and blend this into a powder. So here is the powder consistency we are looking for. Add this flour, add some sesame seed, ajwain, salt, pinch of turmeric, butter, add 2 spoons of warm water, mix well. Add some milk and bind well. Now we are going to fry this on a very low flame. Here the crispy moong dal chakodis are ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.